So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. So today I got something amazing here with me and I'm gonna show you in a moment. So I am very happy today because I got something which I was looking for from a very long time. So to answer this question, I'm gonna bring it and I'm gonna show you what it is. So here it is. Look at this guys, how sick it looks. Does it look sick to you? If it does, pause the video right now and type in the comment section. So let's not waste any more further time. Let me open the box and let me show you what it contains. But before we do that, it's not a Takara Tomy version because I couldn't find any Takara Tomy version of this. So that's why we got the Rapidity version. But no issues guys, we always welcome fakes. It's alright to buy fakes. It's no big deal. So we welcome fake guys, but it should be a better quality. If it isn't a better quality, there is no point buying, I guess. So let's not waste any more further time. Let's open it. Here we go. So this is all we get here. Where is ripcord? Okay. So this is all we get here. This is the ripcord. And for your information guys, this was also not easy to find. This was really hard to find. So let me get all the stuff out. So guys, this is all the stuff we got. So we got 2 tools to assemble or dismantle the bay. We got 2 extra spin track, 2 metal tips, 2 Beyblades. So this one is Bakushin Shushinov. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right or is that the actual name. Correct me if I'm wrong. So this is the character from the Metal Masters game, I guess. So this is Bakushin Shushinov and this is El Drago Rush. So this looks pretty damn good guys. This is too beautiful honestly. So these 2 amazing bays I got. So one thing I wanted to point out. So this launcher is right. So obviously this is gonna fit. But do you know that Rapidity's El Drago and most of the bays, they also work with the right spin launchers. So this is one good thing with Rapidity, when most of the bays would be right and left both. Few of the bays would be just right spin, but most of them I have seen are right and left both. So that's good to have. So we got a El Drago with the dual spin. And to prove it that it spins left as well, you can see fits perfectly in my left launcher, and this also fits perfectly in my left launcher. Let me bring out my right as well, and this is the right spin launcher of Pegasus. So fits perfectly. So they became like Variaris. And guys, I came to know that this bay is pretty rare, but since this is a Rapidity, so obviously cannot say much. So if this was Takara, this might be a rare bay because I just came to know it today by opening the set. So now here comes the reason why I bought this. So actually the launcher build quality is pretty okay. I wouldn't say it's way too better, but it's not bad at all. It's a little bit above than average, I would say. So it's pretty good quality according to me. And we got ripcord. Let me insert the ripcord guys. Okay, so one thing I should tell you that, so you might be thinking that this base will spin more and this will be less, but that's not like that guys. Both will spin equally. So take a look. So both are spinning at the same time, right? So both of these will have an equal amount of spin. And guys, the reason is why I bought this set is just because of this launcher honestly. Because they randomly sent this set, so not sure what you gonna get and which color you wanna get and which base will be there. So I just bought this because of the launcher, because whenever I try to do MFB battle, it is hard to launch 2 bay at the same time. So this makes things a lot easier for me. Obviously El Drago I won't be able to launch with this guy. So yes, that is still an issue. But I think this is gonna work amazingly for me. So guys, that was pretty much the unboxing of this Rapidity Duotron launcher. Yes, and one thing I forgot to mention is that this launcher is called Duotron launcher. So guys, that was pretty much the unboxing. So let's do some test battles and then we're gonna wrap up this video. So let me bring out the stadium and let's do some battles. So guys, I got the stadium. So I hope you missed this stadium because I actually did. So it has been a long time since I used this stadium and this is a pretty fun stadium. So enough about stadium, let me put this in and let's do some battles. So guys, I'm getting my base set up and look at that guys, how cool that looks. Should this be our thumbnail like this? Whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna launch both of these guys. So guys, let's do best of 3 battles. So I'm gonna do 3 battles and let's see who wins this. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So let's see how this goes. I got a good feeling about Bakushin Shushno. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the right name or not. And yes, that wins it. So the defense power of this bay is amazing because of this shape. I think it can absorb most of the attacks, and this tip, it's pretty low and it's pretty amazing. Well built, I guess. So El Drago Rush lost somehow. Let's give it one more shot, guys. So guys, we are ready for the round 2. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let's see if this time El Drago can win. Can El Drago win? I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it. This guy has got some serious defense, guys. If you get a Takara version of it, snatch it. Because from the looks, I think it's an amazing bay. So when I opened the set, I didn't knew like what bay it is. So I was like, what the hell I got? But after doing like 2 battles, I realized this is pretty damn good. So guys, this guy already won because it has won 2 battles in a row. So I don't think so El Drago is gonna win. But we will do it otherwise because I said it's the best out of 3 and we have to do 3 battles. So let's get this over with. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So El Drago is losing spin pretty easily, guys. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know. So looks like this guy won. I'm really having a hard time telling its name, so I'm gonna say this guy. So yes, this guy has won and our beautiful Rush El Drago has lost. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section. That what do you think about this Duotron launcher and what do you think about this Rapidity 4D set? Is it worth it or not? And what's your opinion on this beautiful bay? So guys, that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.